Hi guys, it's Kirby. Welcome back to my channel. If you haven't guessed it already, in this video today, we are going to be doing some makeup for glasses, or like glasses makeup for people with glasses. I don't have a very strong prescription, so I pretty much wear my contacts all day, every day. I max out my insurance on my contacts. I get a year supply, and then I just buy like glasses from Zini Optical or online or whatever. That's where these are from, is Zini. And I like a statement glasses because I generally don't wear makeup when I'm wearing glasses because I don't wear them all the time. If I'm wearing them, it's usually because my eyes are irritated and they need a break, or I'm not wearing makeup and so I don't need to put my contacts in, or it's at night and it's at the end of the day and I've taken my contacts out. If I take my glasses off, I can still see everything. It's a little fuzzy and like out of focus, but I can still see things. So yeah. Not that strong of a prescription. But I thought that I would show you makeup that I would generally wear if I were to like want to wear my glasses every single day type situation. So I'm going to remove my glasses. So when I wear my glasses, even if I am going out and I'm not wearing makeup, I generally really focus on skincare. I'll go heavy on the moisturizers, really glowy skin. I might even use like a tinted mineral sunscreen instead of just like my standard sunscreen. But that's like typical everyday situation. I've been focusing a lot more on skincare anyways. So my face looks already very shiny and glowy because I've already applied all my skincare and my sunscreen and things like that. So we're gonna go into it, and I'm first going to go in with a BB cream light coverage sort of situation, and I'm going to avoid the like bridge of my nose because that's where my glasses sit, and I have these big clunky plastic frames which sit very heavy on my face. As you can probably see, I have like marks from the like nose pads, so I try to avoid going really heavy with the makeup on the bridge of my nose. What I'm using today is the Maybelline Perfector 4-in-1 Glow Makeup. I just reviewed this. I'm trying to give it a chance for like everyday makeup. It's not going amazingly, but we're working on it. If you have a more even skin tone than myself, then you could probably just go in with like spot concealer instead of going in with an actual all over coverage sort of product. I just find that my skin is a little like uneven in terms of color, tone, texture. So going in with a BB cream or a CC cream or a tinted moisturizer, tinted sunscreen really helps to kind of even out my complexion. If you're having more trouble spots like acne marks and things like that, we'll go back in later with a little bit of concealer, but we're just kind of laying down the base for right now. My glasses makeup and my like light day makeup are generally the same. I don't usually do heavy glam makeup when I'm wearing glasses because my glasses do take up so much of my face. I don't feel like I need as heavy of makeup because you're focused more on the glasses than my makeup. That's a personal opinion because I wear more statement glasses. If you're wearing more like thin wire frames, clear frames, things like that, you can afford to be a little bit heavier on the makeup because you're going to see more of your face rather than the glasses themselves. I'm going to do eyebrows off camera just because they take me a little bit of time, but I always fill in my eyebrows even if I'm wearing glasses, even if my glasses cover up my eyebrows. It just makes me feel more finished. So I'm gonna go quickly do that off camera because it takes a minute. Finished my eyebrows, just quickly put a little bit of powder through them. Again, I think it just gives a little bit more of a manicured look, especially if you have a smaller frame glasses, then you're definitely going to want to add some definition to your eyebrows. If you have more of a statement, chunky plastic glasses, you can get away with not doing your eyebrows because, again, the glasses kind of like trick the eye into thinking that your eyebrows are done because your glasses frame your face, not necessarily your eyebrows. Moving on to concealer, I'm using the Stay Naked Correcting Concealer Fluid, and I'm just going to put a very little amount underneath my eyes and on just a few of my blemishes. I'm going to just lightly blend those out with a brush. You can bring the concealer a little bit down the side of your nose for a little bit more coverage on your actual face itself. Again, be sure not to like go too heavy on the bridge of your nose or even up high into like this part of your eye socket, because the nose pads of your glasses are going to get like all makeup-y and it's gonna slip and things like that. Your glasses really pull focus to your eyes, of course, because there's something surrounding your eyes, which means that they're probably going to pull focus to your dark circles or the darkness in your circles. They're gonna pull focus to the darkness underneath your eyes. Even if you do not have prominent dark circles, the glasses are going to kind of pull on that and really make it prominent to someone else visually looking at your face. So you may have to go in with a color corrector, but I do generally suggest a more full coverage concealer. I know we went light with the foundation, but I generally suggest a more full coverage concealer that blends out very nicely, so that, again, when you're wearing your glasses, this dark part underneath your eyes isn't so prominent. I'm going to use whatever product is left on my brush and just go on top of my eyelids to conceal any discoloration and to prime my eyes. Before we set underneath our eyes, which is key when you're doing any type of like concealing underneath your eyes, we're going to go in with a cream blush and cream bronzer, I should say. We're using the e.l.f. Putty Bronzer and Putty Blushes. I'm using Tan Lines and Tahiti. And all I'm doing is going in with small buffing brushes and just, again, adding a little bit of color to my face. I am going to do a little bit on my nose, but I'm going to concentrate it more on the tip of my nose. Again, because my glasses will sit right here. Onto blush. Now, before we use any type of powder to, again, set underneath our eyes, I'm going to use some setting spray. I'm using the Morphe Jumbo Continuous Setting Spray. I saw Rose and Ben do this on Instagram. She used setting spray and then a powder on top of it, and I was like, excuse me? What? I tried it the other day and I really liked it because I only used powder underneath my eyes and it worked for like the first time in the whole entire world. So I'm going in with my setting spray first. I'm always rather generous with my setting spray. Fanning it off. And then once my face is completely dry from the setting spray, I will go in with a setting powder and I will take a fluffy eyeshadow brush and lightly set underneath my eyes, making sure that there's no creasing beforehand, and use a powder. I'm going to use the e.l.f. Halo Glow setting powder because, again, this reflects light really nicely and gives me even more, I don't want to say coverage, but it gives me like even more brightness underneath my eyes. But the key is waiting for your face to dry fully from the setting spray. I'm also going to take this powder and I'm going to gently do the bridge of my nose. I don't want a matte face. Personally, when I wear glasses, I guess I just don't ever want a matte face because I feel like the makeup transfers to my glasses even more. I don't know. That's just how I feel. You might feel differently and you might want super matte. This is just how I do my makeup whenever I actually put makeup on when I wear glasses. It's very similar to like a light makeup day for me, like everyday go-to makeup. We're gonna do eyeshadow, and I'm gonna use the Violet Voss Rainbows palette only because it's full of shimmers. I generally, when I'm wearing glasses, I don't do a heavy eyeshadow. I don't really do like a full glam. I don't do an intricate eye look because my glasses generally are taking the focus away from my makeup. So I just do a light shimmer. I'm going to use Fiji because I'm gonna match my sweatshirt today. Or does, yeah, Fiji. And I'm just gonna take my finger and I'm just gonna gently pat that on my eye. I generally don't do lower lash line makeup whenever I'm wearing glasses, and I don't do liner either for many of the same reasons that I've been saying throughout this whole video, is just that the glasses kind of pull focus away from my makeup and they're the defining moment, and so I feel like doing liner and things like that doesn't really add to the makeup look at all. So I just go in with some mascara. I don't use lashes when I'm wearing glasses because most of the time my lashes are so long and full and fluffy, they hit my glasses and I don't like that feeling. So I'll just go in with a little bit of mascara, curl my lashes first. And you don't have to be heavy with a mascara. Again, it's just basically letting people know that you have eyelashes behind your glasses. And then finish it off with a lip. Today I'm going to use the Dirty Little Secret Rosy Posy lip liner and the Dose of Colors Flirty. And then yeah, that is generally how it is because we already did our setting spray. So take your headband out, put your glasses on. Yeah. You know what? I don't like that lip. I think we could be a little bit more bold with the lip. So let's go a little more bold with the lip. Am I right? And this is because I have bold glasses, so I want a bold lip. That's how it is. Now I'm going to try the NYX Shine Loud Goal Getter lip. We'll see about this. I like that so much better with a darker lip because, I'm sorry, I'm having some like reflection problems. I like that so much better with a darker lip. It's because I have such like bold statement glasses, I can take the risk of doing darker lips, like a darker cheek and things like that, whereas I'm probably going to downplay my eyes and my eyebrows because my glasses are so big and bold. I can take the risk of doing a darker lip versus someone who has a wire frame or a clear frame. They might be able to make a little bit more of a bold eye choice and they might want to downplay their lips because their eyes are bolder. You really kind of have to play around and things like that. But this is my like simple makeup for glasses. I currently have my glasses like tilted so that they don't reflect the ring light so much. But yeah, it's super simple. This is probably like what I would wear on like a light day even without glasses. But yeah, that is my tips and tricks for glasses. Not tips and tricks. That's my makeup for people with glasses. I will link all of the products that I use down in the description box below, so if you are interested in any of them, you can check them out on your own time. What do you think? Do you like this look? Do you not like this look? Do you like these glasses? Do you not like these glasses? I don't care. I love the glasses. Let me know down in the comment section below. Do you have any tips, tricks, helpful hints, things that you do for people who wear makeup with glasses, or people who wear glasses who want to wear makeup? I know there's a whole community of people who are like, I wear glasses, I can't wear makeup. And that's not true. That's just simply not true. Let me know all of your tips, tricks, and hacks and different products down in the description box, down in the comment section below. Let's start a conversation. If you enjoyed this video, give it a big old thumbs up. As always, please be sure to subscribe and hit the little notification bell. I would hate for you to miss out on any more videos. Thanks so much for watching, guys.